Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about the forex trading signals that we provide to the subscribers on a daily basis. So before going to the today's signals review, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it because you will be able to get the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. So first of all, let me tell you that you know about the very well about the disease that is spread during these days. The market is very slow, and we are facing the slow momentum of the market due to that disease. So overall, there is low investors in the market right now. So in this case, I will prefer you people to do scalping most of the time because taking very long trades is not a good opinion in my approach. So be careful until the market settles down. So let's get started with AUDJPY. So guys, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of AUDJPY from 66707 and 65985 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a big drop on AUDJPY. This was the only pair that I have seen that is reacted very good as per the signals report, and it completely went down, and overall the momentum was also very much fine on AUDJPY. That's why we have got a good profit on that one. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, these pairs are into the slower zones. That what I am explaining you. I have supplied the bullish trend today from 133,897 and 137,126 was the target price. So guys, basically the market went up to let me draw the line here, then you can see that up to 134,624, and if you look at here 1 2 3 4 5 6, however the market went up, and later on the 4 hours the market is down. So overall, if you look at the volatility of the market, then you can completely see that it's just in a range. It has gone nowhere. However, we have done a little bit good with our signal because our signal was bullish on Great Britain Pound JPY, and somehow we have caught the 6 hours profit on that trade. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Okay, somehow decent momentum is seen, not a very good full momentum. If you look at New Zealand USD, I have supplied the bearish signal from 059724 and 058861 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but guys, you can see this candle was closed below the entry line. That was a good time to enter into the trade. And look, after waiting for several hours, the market is finally down, and you can see that it has tested up to like 60% of the 60 to 70% of the signal. So overall, if you have traded New Zealand USD today, then you must be in a good profit because it has bent down, as well as AUDJPY was a good trade to carry on. Okay, now let's talk about the momentum that we have seen today on USD Canadian dollar. It was fine in the start of the day. USD Canadian dollar, we were bullish on that pair, and 124415 was the bullish entry, and 143688 was the target price. However, guys, you can see the market just went near to the target price, and it touched up to 143474. So our target price was 143688. So it just went near to the target price, and we have closed our trade during that time because we don't want to get much risk on that trade, because the market is slow. And look at again, the market suddenly gets a drop, and it's again back to the same level where it started today. So guys, that's why I'm telling you that you need to be very careful these days, because due to the disease there is a low investors in the market. Guys, we do not talk about the losing trades of the day in our YouTube videos. So let's talk about the USDCHF. So guys, same problem, slow momentum is seen today. However, we were bullish on USDCHF from 096475 and 097424 was the target price. So guys, I am basically bullish. The market went up to 096861. So overall, still if you look at here, it's just fighting on the entry level, and it has gone nowhere. A little bit bullish trend, and we have caught the slight bullish trend profit on that trade. Otherwise, if you look at the momentum of throughout the day, the momentum is very, very slow. So that's why I have told you that you need to be very careful by trading these days. Okay guys, moreover, let me tell you about this trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. Let me open any good pair so that I can show you. For example, let's see, this is the top red boundary. If you see that the market is getting the rejection from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair. and whenever it's into the lower red boundary, like on USD Canadian dollar, you can see it's pumping up from the lower red boundary, then you can take your buy positions. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.